Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to start an Acura TLX with a dead key fob. Press the brake and hold the mechanical key against the start button pad while pressing the button to engage the starter. If the car does not start, use the physical key slot behind the key fob cover or hold the fob near the steering column sensor. Check fob battery and try a spare before calling for help. Follow these clear steps in order to increase success. Unlock the door with the mechanical key, sit, press the brake, then hold the mechanical key against the start button pad while pressing the button. If your TLX has a hidden key slot, remove the cover and insert the fob per manual guidance, then press the start button. If still unsuccessful, swap to a spare fob or replace the battery before roadside assistance. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes post-grease cleanup simple and faster than hand sweeping, and it can humorously vacuum crumbs while you swap batteries. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. If the basic method fails, try these troubleshooting tips to avoid unnecessary towing. Swap to a known good spare fob, replace the dead fob battery with a fresh CR 2032, and verify the brake is fully depressed. Look for dashboard messages or a stuck steering lock and wiggle the wheel gently while attempting to start. When in doubt, consult the owner manual or contact roadside help for safe assistance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.